Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and I am here today with a quick little Hobby Lobby haul. I actually spent a little bit of unexpected time at Hobby Lobby today, and I had gone primarily because it is one of their clearance sales. Please do not mind my animals. This is what happens when I start talking. They start to think, oh, mom's like ready to talk to people and give attention. And so they start looking for attention. This is Lion. This is one of our gorgeous cats. Probably the most beautiful cat I've ever seen. He's just purring away. So you're gonna see him all up in here looking for attention. But I went to Hobby Lobby today, like I said, because it is one of their clearance sales and where they have the orange tickets on everything up to 75% off. And I've been hearing rumors both on YouTube and on Instagram that they're gonna be getting rid of several different lines at Hobby Lobby, different decor lines. And so I was like, I better go if there's anything that I've been eyeing that I want, because it may be gone. This one time, I tell this story all the time. This one time I went to Hobby Lobby and they had this little wooden, beautiful wooden egg holder, and I didn't need it. I didn't need another egg holder. I have several, but I just have a thing for them, and I thought it was beautiful. The table decor was not on sale. It was wall decor that week, and so I thought I'll come back the next week since they got rid of the 40% coupon. And when I went back, it was gone, and I have literally never seen it again. And so I have been trying to just, if I see it, pick it up because it may never be there again. And so that is what I have been doing. So I'm gonna show you what I have picked up. A couple of things that I've been eyeing that I haven't picked up in the past that I finally did, a couple of random things. And one thing that I have been looking for, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I hate when that happens. So let's go ahead and get started. So I mentioned that I went there for the orange ticket sale, and literally I left with one item that was from the orange ticket sale, and that is this really pretty little ring holder. This is from one of their great little lines that has some really pretty artwork and kind of like more of like an antique look. This is it's plastic, but it's painted to look like it's bronze. And I think it's meant to be like a little jewelry holder, but I have been eyeing this. I thought it was so pretty. I got it for $4.49, normally $17.99. And I think it'll look really pretty in my bedroom, maybe on my dresser or on my nightstand. I'm not sure yet, but I do take my ring off at night typically when I sleep. So I feel like this would be perfect for that. And for $4.49, like, you can't beat it, right? But this is the only orange tag thing I came home with. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the things I picked up from the spring shop. Everything in the spring shop was 40% off or 50% off. I can't remember. It might have been 50% off. The first thing I actually bought for my mother-in-law, let me check really quick, see if it was on sale for 40 or 50. Spring was 50% off. My front door is open and my boys are playing outside, so you may hear them. I don't want to close it because it's just glorious outside. It's like 65. So I don't want to close that, but if you hear some crazy little boys in the background, that's what it is. So the first thing I actually picked up was for my mother-in-law. It is these super cute little watermelon slice salt and pepper shakers. These were $9.99, but 50% off. My mother-in-law collects these. I collect them too. We always joke that in the will, I want her salt and pepper shaker collection, which is really morbid, but that's the kind of humor that we have. I'm sure you guys have that person in your family that you can joke around about with that, like that, but that's my mother-in-law, and I picked these up for her. I saw them and I was like, oh, I think she would love these, and it was just her birthday last week, and I didn't get her very much, and so I thought that this would be a great little gift for her, and unexpected. Who doesn't love an unexpected gift? From the spring line, I also picked up this little strainer. So random, like totally not needed. I have a bunch of strainers, but I don't know, I liked the shape of this, and I felt like it'd be really easy to hold when you're cleaning like berries and stuff. It was $4.99, and for 50% off, you couldn't pass it up. I like the color, it's easy to hold. So random, again, not necessarily something I needed, 100% not what I went there for, but came home with me nonetheless. Another random item from the spring shop is this little wooden rolling pin. I liked both the shape of it, and this will be really nice like if you're just rolling out something super simple. And I have no idea how much this cost because it doesn't have a tag. The tag fell off. It is acai wood and it is food safe. It was $9.99, 50% off. And like I said, I just like the shape. I feel like this would feel nice in my hands. And I think it'll look really pretty just in, you know, with all my other wooden cooking items, cooking utensils. So the next thing I got from the spring shop is something I've actually been eyeing for a while. However, I didn't want like the big one and I just happened to see a small one. I didn't even know it was an option and I am so in love with it. I'm so glad I bought it. And it's this adorable wicker basket. Now I'm sure you guys have seen this on other people's Hobby Lobby hauls. This is very, very popular. And the other one that I've seen is like way bigger, but this one is small. It was $34.99, but it was 50% off. And my intention is to hang this in my room. I just did that bedroom makeover. If you guys haven't seen those videos, check them out. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I love being in my bedroom. But I just think that this would look really pretty to hang on the wall, just to kind of warm up the space with some florals in it. I have a basket by my front door. You can't see it from this. Yeah, you can't see it from this angle, but I have this really beautiful basket that I picked up on Decor Steals. It was kind of pricey. It was like $50, but I love it. And it has some faux hydrangea in it. And I kind of wanted that same vibe. So that is what I picked this up for. Although I feel like you could actually use this. Like if you're going to a farmer's market and you want to be totally adorable, you could totally use this. It does have wood pieces at the bottom. And so it's 100%. I'm sorry if you're listening to this with your headphones on. Sometimes I get these random surges on that wall that has my robot vacuum and it just like goes off and everybody has a heart attack. I'm sorry if that woke you up. But anyway, I was saying that there's wood pieces down there at the bottom. So this is not, you know, it's not soft whatsoever. It is definitely firm and wooden, but really, really pretty. And I think you really could use it if you wanted to. Now, all of the floral bundles were on sale for 40% off. So I did pick one up. I don't technically know what kind of flower this is. Maybe this is supposed to be some type of hydrangea, but I picked up, I think it is. I picked up this little stem. It's not like the prettiest, really. It was $11.99, got it for 40% off. It's really not the most beautiful, but I just thought that it would be really pretty in the basket, like such, you know, kind of fluff it up, but that's the vibe with the basket and I am obsessed. Love this whole thing. And yeah, the flowers are pretty. You know, they're not like the best faux flowers I've ever seen, and the leaves kind of look like lily pads, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought they're really pretty and they look really nice with the basket. Okay, the next item I grabbed was totally by chance. All of their lanterns and bird cages and like little miniature greenhouses and things like that were on sale for 50% off, I think, 50% off. And I saw this adorable little bird cage. It does like full on open and it's like this whitewash, gray wash metal. I don't even know what you would call it, like slightly galvanized, but not really. Let's see what it says. Maybe it'll give me a better description words. Nope, just says table decor. So there's that. It was $19.99, got it for $10. I think it'd be super cute to put a plant in it and put it here on my sofa table. That's my plan to do, what I plan to do with this. I have a very, I have a huge affinity for bird cages, and that's because my wedding theme was Midsummer Night's Dream. And on all of our tables at our reception, we did different bird cages, and they were all, you know, vintage. I picked them up at all different like Salvation Armies and, you know, antique shops and everything. My mother-in-law still has a couple. My grandparents have a couple. I think my mom has a couple. I think everybody has them but us. We actually didn't take one home, but I have several little bird, I'm looking at another little bird cage that I have in my house, but I just love them. I think they're really pretty, and I love how this one kind of looks old and as if I could have picked it up at a local antique shop, and I think it'd be perfect with a little plant inside. That's my favorite phrase ever since Stacy and I went to Hobby Lobby, is you could put a plant on it. And that really works in this case. Okay, this next item is another item I think you have probably seen all around YouTube. It's a very popular item at Hobby Lobby, and I have been eyeing it for quite some time. However, it never goes on sale. And so I just haven't really pulled the trigger, if you will, to buy it. But I, again, was going in with the mindset of if they're changing stuff out, I almost said a swear word. If they're changing things out, I don't want to miss out on the things that I really want. So one of those is this vase. Ugh, it's really big. It's like bigger than my head, but it's this beautiful vase. It has this gorgeous like line work on it. It's this really pretty, like warm, it's not a terracotta color, but it's got a terracotta feel. Let's see. It is, hello? It's $35, I believe. Yes, $34.99. Never, ever, ever goes on sale. It's just, that's just the price, but it's really pretty. And I've seen lots of other people put this on their dining room table, just right in the middle with some beautiful greenery. And I was like, I really, really, really want that. I want to put it, I think my vision is for the bottom of my sofa table. So I've got like that nice shelf down there. So I think it'd be really, really pretty down there. Let me show you what I got to put inside. Gonna be 100% honest. I'm kind of a creature of habit. I went with eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is my favorite. I just think that the color is really beautiful. I love the shape. I don't know, it just, it's so effortless to me, and it doesn't look, like even faux eucalyptus doesn't really look very faux because real eucalyptus looks pretty fake. This is real eucalyptus right here. It's dried out. What's great is when it dries, you can keep it, like it keeps really, really well. But I bought 3 of these stems. They were 40% off, so they're normally $19.99. I got them for like $9.50, and I got 3 of them. So let me show you. My intention is to put these like such. So, you know, it'll look like this, and I'll fluff them and make it look better, but isn't that pretty? I just love the size, and I feel like it makes such a statement. So anyway, I love it. I love, love, love it. So glad I picked that vase up. Like I said, I have been eyeing it for quite some time. I'm glad I finally just did it because I was gonna regret it. And the last item that I picked up, I actually can't like physically hold up because it's big, and it is a bench for the end of my bed. I saw this bench online. It was on sale for like $53. You know, their furniture is always 30% off. And it's one of those nice, like slender benches. However, when I got it home and I put it at the end of my bed, I didn't totally love it. I wonder if I just need to style it. Maybe that's the problem. So I'm gonna try to style it up and see if I like it. If I don't, I'm just gonna return it. It's no big deal. You know, it was, like I said, $53 is a really great price, and I can return it if it's not what I envisioned. Okay, that is the end of the haul portion of this video. I say, why don't we take a couple minutes and put the things where I was going to use them, and let's see how they all look. Let's get to decorating. Okay, my friends, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this little miniature Hobby Lobby haul and decorate with me. And until the next one, my friends, have a fabulous day. I'll see you soon. Bye.